Myself, I am Aikithika. I am studying third standard in Bharati Vidyalaya Nursery and Primary School, Adipadi. My father name is Mr. Ayana. He is a mechanic. My mother name is Mrs. Pavana. She is a housewife. I am coming from Kullamatti. What am I doing now?
You are looking at me.
What am I doing now?
You are looking at us.
What am I doing now?
You are looking at him.
What am I doing now?
You are looking at them.
What am I doing now?
You are looking at us.
What am I doing now?
You are looking at it.
What are you doing now?
I am looking at you.
What are you doing
I
now?
am looking at us.
What are you doing
I
now?
am looking at him.
What are you doing now?
I am looking at them.
What are you doing
We
now?
are looking at you.
What are you doing now?
I am looking at it.
What is she doing now?
She is looking at you.
What is she doing now?
She is looking at me.
What is she doing now?
She is looking at him.
What is she doing now?
She is looking at her.
What is she doing now?
She is looking at them.
What is she doing now?
She is looking at us.
What is she doing now?
She is looking at it.
What is he doing now?
She is looking at you.
What is he doing now?
She is looking at me.
What is he doing now?
She is looking at her. Him.
What is he doing now?
She is looking at her.
What is he doing now?
She is looking at them.
What is he doing now?
She is looking at us.
What is he doing now?
She is looking at it.
What are they doing now?
They are looking at you.
What are they doing now?
They are looking at me.
What are they doing now?
They are looking at her.
What are they doing now?
They are looking at him.
What are they doing now?
They are looking at them.
What are they doing now?
They are looking at us.
What are they doing now?
They are looking at it.
What are we doing now?
We are looking at her.
What are we doing now?
We are looking at him.
What are we doing now?
We are looking at them.
What are we doing now?
We are looking at it.